welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Data Science. Now we are going to see what is the Xlookup function with an example. Okay, as we seen in the first and second video, that is VLOOKUP function and HLOOKUP function. It is nothing but looking a value in a vertical table is a VLOOKUP function, and looking a value and searching a value in a horizontal table is an Xlookup function. Okay, sorry, HLOOKUP function. Now Xlookup function is used to search both the table. Okay, if it is vertical or horizontal doesn't matter, Xlookup function will be useful. Okay, so let's see with an example. Okay, here I am typing to search the states like Kansas. Okay, how much films it contains? 76. Now we are going to use Xlookup function and we are going to find out. Okay, now we can write a value here, that is Kansas, Kansas. Okay, now we are going to create Xlookup. Okay, see here the value is lookup value. For which value we are going to look for? Kansas. Okay, so Kansas comma lookup array. In VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP function, we selected the whole table for second argument. Okay, here we have to select only the lookup value. So click this one. We are going to search the US state, isn't it? So Control Shift down arrow mark. Okay, then click function F4 to lock the array, comma second one is return array. What we are going to return? The from. Okay, this only we are going to return. So click Control Shift down arrow mark and function F4. So now close the bracket and type enter. So 76, Kansas from is 76. Okay, like that we can select for all the US state. Now for we actually in basics of Excel I have teach that a drop down function. Now we are going to use drop down function. So go for data validation. Here click list and upward arrow mark and click that US state column. Okay, Control Shift down arrow mark and here down arrow mark and click OK. See, now we can search for any values. Okay, 9 means 81, so 9 is 81, like that. For Maryland 29. Likewise we can search for whole the value. Okay, up to last value. Wisconsin is 142. Okay, now the same Xlookup function is used for horizontal table. Okay, now copy this table, Control A, Control C, create new sheet. Okay, paste over here. How we are going to paste? In a transpose manner. Okay, in a transpose manner. Now click here. We are going to search for Florida. Okay, click write Florida. Okay, the spelling should be correct, then only you will get a correct value. Equal to Xlookup. Okay, close. Lookup value is Florida, comma lookup array. Okay, lookup array one is this. So shift control side arrow mark. Okay, that's it. Function F4 to lock, comma what we are going to now, we can search for capital. Okay, so click here, shift control side arrow mark and function F4, lock it and close the bracket. Okay, now for Florida, the capital is 6.547. so this is very easy. So by using Xlookup function for both vertical and horizontal column can be solved. Okay, now if it is in another worksheet, the data is another. Okay, there are two different worksheets. The whole data is in one worksheet. The data what we need is in another worksheet. So we have to compare the both worksheet needs. In that also we can use Xlookup. Okay, so click open new worksheet. Okay, here we can rename as new. Okay, Simply I will type new. Okay, now here, from here I'm selecting only this column. Okay, I'm selecting only US states. Okay, I'm going to copy this, I'm going to paste here. Okay, I pasted the US states. Now for US states I'm going to find a value. I'm going to find labor. Okay, in Alabama state how much labors are there, like in Florida how much labors are there, I have to find this one. Okay, but in the new worksheet I have only the states. Okay, now what I'm going to do means, going to do, click here. Okay, equal to Xlookup, for which value we are going to look. Okay, you can click for this, you are going to look up for this value, you can click over here, comma. Now where is that value is there? In equipment. So go here and select the US states column. Okay, control shift down arrow mark. Okay, then press function F4, comma, what we are going to find? The labors. Okay, number of labors. So click over here, control shift arrow mark and function F4 and close the bracket. Now type enter. See, the value is 6.47. For what value? We have find for main, isn't it? Oh, I forgot it. So please click here. Is A13. A13 is main. Okay, so now go for equipment and see the value of main labor is 6.47. so like this also we can use. For what purpose I'm using like this? In that itself I can do, no, by using the Xlookup or function or VLOOKUP function I can do, but assume that is a very large data set. Okay, I will give for an example, I will show an example, a large set of data set. See here, this is one of the data set. See how much columns are there and how much rows are there. There are thousands of rows. Okay, thousands and thousands of rows and many columns. So at that time we can't use, because we will confuse. If we need a particular column, okay, we need a symptoms. Okay, what are the symptoms, and in this system, in which country the symptom is there. Okay, at that time what we have to do, select the symptom column and put in a new worksheet. Okay, and then using the Xlookup function we can found over here. Okay, so this only we are using Xlookup function. So pivot table also very useful for a big data. So all function in Excel is very much useful for the for analyzing the larger set of data. Okay, okay, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. If you are interested to become a data scientist or data analyst or business analyst, the Excel is a basic knowledge. If your friends are interested, please do share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.